Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Harbor Freight red tag sale. Sale starts today. Hundreds of red tag deals store wide. It seems like we got some tool carts here. The 26-inch generator and some jacks. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more tool deals, and let's go ahead and get started. First coupon we have is the 26-inch by 22 single bank extra deep cabinets for $279. This is not the lowest we've seen it. We've seen it for $249.99, but only at the parking lot sale on like a real rare occasion. But we have seen it for $249.99. It's not a bad deal at $279 though, because these are worth it a lot more than that. You know, these are fairly good quality product. This is 4,000 max, 3,200 running watts, 6.5 horsepower, 212cc gas generator, $289.99. We have seen it cheaper than that, but for now that's the current coupon. Rapid pump 3-ton steel heavy duty flow profile jack for $89.99. Real good jacks there. We got the 30 by 18 feet, 1,000 pound hardwood dolly for $11.99. 2 horsepower gas powered earth auger with 6-inch bit, $169.99. We got the 5,000 lumens LED hanging shop light, $24.99. This on the parking lot sales, we do have it for $19.99. So stay tuned for those parking lot sales. Make sure you don't forget it and subscribe to my channel for the latest parking lot sales. 5mm powder free nitro gloves, pack of 50, $4.99. I do have the review on my channel. I did the review when these were free. And I was actually poking myself with the screwdriver and couldn't rip it. So, 40 by 72 moving blanket, $3.99. Heavy duty foldable aluminum sports chair for $19.99. American flag 3 by 5 feet, for $4.99. Ammo dry box for $2.99. 1750 psi electric pressure washer for $79.99. Parking lot sales, I believe this is for $70. You got the 7 amp electric pulse out 9.5 bar, $62.99. This is a real good price. This works fine. I do have it. This is the good and the better, $159.99. Usually we see this for $149.99 at the lowest. And this is the better one for $169.99. I would definitely recommend this over that because this is an upgraded version. It does have new gauges, new valve placements, everything. Redesigned. 10-inch pneumatic tire with white hub, $3.99. And they also do have the flat free, the ones that don't go flat. They're a lot more expensive though. 24 feet, 18 bulb, 12 socket, outdoor string lights, $19.99. 2,000 watt super quiet inverted generator, $449. It's a good generator. 1750 multi-task ladder, $109. 4-gallon backpack sprayer, $19.99. It's always been that. Pneumatic adjustable roller seat, $19.99. If you're a heavy guy, I heard that these break. It says 300 pound capacity, so I don't know. You guys would have to look at the reviews. It does have 4.5 stars, almost 5 stars. So maybe it was just that one that broke. It didn't break on me. It broke on somebody else. So heavy duty portable scaffold, $169.99. 20 volt lithium coreless extreme torque 1/2 inch impact wrench kit for $239. This is great. Works real good. I heard a lot of professionals are using this, so it must be a great tool. I do have the Bauer, the cheaper version of the same kind of tool, and it works great. 2150 lumens hard wired LED security light, $49.99. 25% off any TV mount. 12,000 truck SUV winch, $299.99. 130 piece toolkit with case, $29.99. 588 lumen tactical flashlight, just under $10. 3-gallon 100 psi pancake oil free air compressor, $45.99. We've seen this for $39.99 at the parking lot sales, so just keep that in mind. If you need it, go get it. It's not a bad deal. 1/2 inch compact drill driver kit, $84.99. This is one of the lowest we've seen coupons we seen. The lowest we seen them was for $90. So $84.99 is a killer deal in that. These batteries are so cheap. These batteries are $20 and the 5.0 amp hour batteries are $39.99. The batteries went down too, so you guys need extra batteries for that. You got a 100 watt solar panel kit for $49.99. It's a great kit. I do have it. You can power up a fan, a small TV. What else can you power? Light. Charge your phone. All that for camping is great, or boondocking. Alkaline batteries, $4.99. I do have it on my channel, by the way. You guys look at 2head147. Then just put 100 watt solar panel kit Harbor Freight or Harbor Freight. 100 watt. 200 lumens LED super bright light, flip light for $2.99. You got a 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets, $5.99. 3,100 psi, 2.8 gallons per minute, 6.5 horsepower, $3.49. $50 off any drain cleaner. And this is for the hydros, the big ones. So I do have the smaller one. It works great. The Bauer, the one that looks like one of those Star Wars guns. 12-volt lithium cordless 1/4 hex compact screwdriver kit, $64.99. These went down. They were I believe $70, and they are cheaper now. These are the 12 volts. They work real good. And I would recommend this if you're a professional. If you need something lighter, definitely recommend this. Or if you're a DIY and you just don't need something that's real heavy, maybe you got a lighter hand or something, you don't want to do a lot of strength, or you don't have a lot of strength on your hand, you can get something like that, pop in a screw or something. 125 psi flux core welder, $99. 13-inch string trimmer, $124.99. Is that 124? 46 mobile storage cabinet with solid wood top, $229.99. 10 feet by 17 portable garage, $179. 3-gallon 100 psi hot dog oil-free air compressor, $45.99. 40-volt lithium cordless edge trimmer, $124.99. Oversized low-profile creeper, $19.99. 4-channel wireless surveillance system with 2 cameras, $219.99. It does have 4.5 stars. You got 30-inch pedestrian high-velocity shot fan for $119.99. I heard that these are loud, so just keep that in mind. If you want a lot of air, it's a one for the other. 1/2-inch stubby ultra lightweight extreme torque impact wrench kit, or impact wrench, $89.99. You got the 29-piece titanium drill bit set for $13.99. Don't expect these to last forever, but they will last you for a DIY. They will last you a few times, and it does have 4.5 stars. $5 off any commercial garden hose. 225 psi or 225 piece mechanics toolkit for $99.99. 310 lumen headlamp for $9.99. You got the 3/8 keyless compact drill driver kit, $64.99. This is cheaper, the cheapest we've seen it so far. 18-inch working platform step 2 stool, $19.99. 1,000 pound capacity steel motorcycle lift, $2.99. I'm just tired today from work. It was just a long day today. That's why I'm kind of, can't talk. 10 by 10 feet pop-up canopy, $54.99. 3/8 by 50 feet retractable air hose reel, $59.99. Jump starter and power pack, $64.99. I do have this. I did start a V8 with that. You can look at my channel, 2head147, and just put the item name by it at the search section of YouTube. Unlimited 200 professional multi-process welder, $649. Mechanics gloves, $399. $30 off any Predator gas engine pump. These are great. Seen those work on videos before. You got the 1/2 inch heavy duty extreme torque impact wrench from Bauer, $94.99. Me personally, I prefer battery operated. I don't like carrying this extension cord. So I do have the same thing, but in 20 volts with the one with the battery. Works real good. Microfiber cleaning cloths, pack of 4, $119. These are usually free. Just wait for the coupon or wait for one of my videos. Subscribe. I usually have those for free. 7-inch tile saw with sliding table, $219.99. Variable speed, multifunction power tool, $22.99. 24 high velocity shop fan, $119.99. Drywall panel hoist, $169.99. 10 feet by 10 feet portable shed, $139.99. 1/4 hex compact impact driver kit, $59.99. These are great for DIYs if you're using it for small projects and doing a lot of DIY at home. That's a great drill. Power line is great for home use. 4 feet 12 outlet metal power strip, $17.99. We got the solid rubber wheel chock, $4.99. My brother has these. I saw him that he was using those. I gotta give me a set. 1750 or 1720 capacity, 48 by 96. Super Duty folding trailer, $349. SA metric Torx folding hex key set, pack of 3, $4.99. You got the 12-inch dual bevel sliding compact miter saw. Good, better, and best. This is the $139.99, $179 for the Admiral, and $299 for the Hercules. 7-piece combination ratcheting wrenches, $19.99. I do have these. They work real good. They haven't broken yet, so just keep that in mind. Rapid pump, 1.5 ton steel lightweight aluminum floor jack, $59.99, 9,000 max starting, $72.50 running. Generator, $629.99. This is the newer version of this generators. You got the Pro Air Impact wrenches, your choice, anvil or short anvil, for $89.99. You got the heavy duty multi-vehicle 750-pound high lift floor jack, $169.99. This is for your ATVs and lawn tractors and stuff like that. 1/4 hex compact impact driver kit, 12 volts. So this is the compact, $64.99. You got the 13 horsepower 420 gas 60 horizontal shaft gas engine, $299. Great for a golf cart or what is it? A small project car. Multi-purpose workbench with the light and outlets, $79.99. Mobile miter saw stand, $89.99. This is a great deal. It's one of the cheapest we've seen it. 1-ton capacity fold-up chop crane, $139.99. Ultra lightweight crush proof weather resistant lockable case, $29.99. You got the 3.5 cubic feet cement mixer, $174.99. 11 feet by 18 feet. Reflective heavy duty tarp. Great for the survival kit or the camping kit, $19.99. 3/8 by 50 industrial grade rubber air hose, $18.99. 6-inch variable speed dual action polisher, $54.99. Solar rope light, $8.99. 12-in-1 infrared laser thermometer, $19.99. 37-piece impact socket set, $23.99. 10-amp deep cut variable speed bandsaw kit, $99.99. $100 off any select greenhouses. Airless paint sprayers kits, $169.99 for that. Single speed multifunction power tool, $13.99. 22 horsepower V-twin horizontal shaft gas engine, $69.99. I did buy these. We'll be doing a review. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be fine. They do have 5 stars. It's well worth it. The $18.99. These are 3-ton heavy duty jack stands. 2 1040 and 200 amp 612 volts automatic battery charger with engine jump start, $99.99. Pro Air Impact wrenches, $129.99. Foldable sawhorse, $8.99. 800-pound low lift transmission jack, $119.99. 12 volts lithium coreless polisher sander, $99.99. 700-pound capacity Bigfoot hand truck, $39.99. I do have this, but not the big one. With the one with the smaller wheels, works great. 14 amp electric chipper shredder for $99.99. I heard that this is good for smaller leaves, not for the big and thick leaves. For something like that, get a gas one. There's a gas one in Harbor Freight, and I believe you could use a coupon on it, maybe a Predator coupon on it. 500-pound capacity steel cargo carrier, $37.99. I used this before. It works great. 3-piece titanium high-speed step bits, $8.99. Act Safe Auto Dark Green welding helmet, $124.99. AC R134 main full gauge set, $49.99. You got a $40 off any shop press. 10-piece 3/8 high velocity or visibility chrome deep socket. These sockets are nice, especially for under $10. 24 by 30. So if you need some spare ones for the truck, there you go. 24 by 36 industrial poly service cart, $99.99. You got the 1000 mesh deck steel wagon, $59.99. 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart, $129.99. Multi-purpose scissors, 79 cents. 79 cents for the funnel. Usually these are free. 99 cents for the glue. 129 for the safety glass. I heard that these are not the best ever, but they're only 129. So if you need some for the shop. 22 horsepower, 708 cc V twin, $669.99. 4.5 cut off wheels, Medical pack of 10, $5.99. 8 cable ties, 8-inch cable ties, pack of 100, $149. Swivel lens headlamp. I was just thinking about this. Somebody on a video on YouTube took the sticker off and found a DeWalt sticker on the bottom of these. So I'm just telling you guys, could be a better brand than what they're actually. Maybe they're having them made in the same factory. That's what I'm trying to say. V-shape hang all, $149.99. 3-piece hex drill bits socket driver set, $2.99. This is usually free with the coupon. Free with the coupon. I have this, works real good, $3.99. The trigger spray nozzle. 12-inch tool bag with 21 pockets, $4.99. 72 by 80 moving blanket, $5.99. You got the 18-inch magnetic tool holder, $2.99. You guys don't know, I do have a tool hack with these magnets. What I did is I put them back to back and put a screw in between those holes, and you don't have to drill into your toolbox or put any glue. And I do have the video on my channel, so just put magnetic tool holder hack tool head 147 on the search on YouTube, and you'll find that. Yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna go over these because nothing special there. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Don't forget about tool review Tuesday, and we'll see you guys on the next one.